Close the hopper, turn to continuous and grind off any excess coffee. You want to do that for at least 30 seconds to get rid of all that coffee, and then we remove the hopper and vacuum any excess coffee in the chute. Always turn off the power. Unscrew the 4 screws at the very end front to remove the front plates. Unplug the heating element and remove the front end. Grab a vacuum or a brush just to clean inside of the burrs. Very gently brush at the very top of the clump crushers. Remember to clean the other burr as well. We take the large wrench and put that down first. We take the second, smaller wrench and put that down second. And then we bring the 2 wrenches together to loosen off the nuts. Unscrew this clockwise. Take off the washer. Remove the spinning burr. And we clean with a brush or a vacuum. Once clean, you need to line the flat part of the burr carrier with the flat part within the spinning element, and you have to line it up so it's nice and level. Push the burr carrier back until it sinks deep enough so that you can put the screw back on. To reassemble, first plug in the heating element and then place the front end back on and screw back in. If you can, just very lightly brush the clump crusher chute and then put the hopper back in for the next day.